Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff. And my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video though, we are doing a creepy stitch doll look for the last video of GLAMOWEEN. I am actually going to a party tonight, so this is the look I chose, and it's basically more of a get ready with me than a tutorial because I was rushing. I need to leave like now, so without further ado, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching my video. You guys, we are on a time crunch. It is 6:20. I need to finish in like an hour. We are just gonna take these lashes off real quick. I guess like remove our mascara. We're not gonna need it. I hate using makeup wipes because they freaking stain my eyes. I don't know what ingredient they have in this, but it just makes my eyes burn and they dry my eyes out. We're gonna put foundation. Oh my god, sorry. We're just gonna put foundation and blush. Oh, and concealer. We don't really need much. We're gonna put primer on my nose. This makeup look is pretty easy, I feel like, for the most part. We're gonna create the actual doll right now, the cute doll look. And then after, we'll get into doing the sew-in part. Maybe I'll do a little bit of eyeshadow, but we are in a rush. I was supposed to do this as a look tomorrow, but I'm actually gonna wear this makeup look out. We're gonna conceal. It's been a busy day today. We took Damien trick-or-treating at my father-in-law's work. They had a little walkthrough for the kids, so we took them there. Just came back. The part that makes me take the longest is the TikToks. Did not do the forehead because that's where the art is gonna go, and we are gonna set this. Just set our under eyes right now. We're just going to create a normal shadow. I'm going to put in a brown eye here. As my blending color, I use a neutral brown. I'm using my eyebrow kit. Told you we have no time. Then I'm going to get a darker color and blend out the outer corners. Should have been doing this look a long time ago. I think everyone's going to come here at like 7 something to leave at 8. My slow ass just takes a long time to do her makeup. Thankfully, my father-in-law is taking over with Damien, so maybe it won't take that long. I think for our crease, we'll do a pink. I have a blush palette. We're just gonna rub that on. So that's what we're doing. I guess we'll use the same thing, but for blush, we are just gonna use this one and a little bit of that one. We're a doll. We need a shit ton of blush. Of course, we are gonna go in with the lip. Where's Ruby Woo? Russian red. Ruby Woo. There you are. How can we do a red lip without using Ruby Woo? Like, red lip? I guess we can set our entire face right now. We are just gonna create our doll eyes. Then we are gonna set it with some white eyeshadow. Literally just like that. We're gonna repeat that on this side. We are just going to go in with a black eyeshadow. You can use the waterproof liner that won't smudge. I ran out and don't have one. So I'm going in with a black eyeshadow because I feel like it lasts longer anyways. And we're just going to recreate our bottom lash line. We are slightly just gonna crop my lashes because they're always straight down. We are gonna pull out the bigger rolls, the classics. I feel like this is way too big, but ain't no way I can lose this shit. This shit looks like a damn bug. For time, we are at 6:47. I feel like that's decent, right? Maybe we can add a different type of lash in the middle, because I'm going to add bottom lashes and I'm going to cut these normal ones, so maybe I'll put those on top too. For these, because these are freaking huge, just going to use half of these. I'm gonna finish putting this lash on and then we will get into the stitching part. I ended up adding the lashes and it looks so much better. I think we're just gonna use black shadow for everything. We are gonna say goodbye to the flash palette. We are going to create the scarring. I'm just gonna grab black eyeshadow. We're gonna create a big straight line up to here, or up to here, down the center of my nose. And then one line is gonna go this way. And then the other one is gonna go all the way over here. Then we're gonna just grab a bigger brush. We're gonna fill that in. The filling doesn't need to be perfect because we're putting cotton on there. Just make sure that, you know, it looks somewhat okay. It doesn't need to be super pigmented or anything like that. I'm gonna grab like this purple brown color here and we're just gonna put that on the outer parts of the black and blend that out. Now we are gonna grab the black again. This is gonna connect all the way to our ears. I know it looks crazy right now. Trust the process though. We're gonna do a little line, another line right here. Now same thing, gonna grab the purple and do the outer corners, or just kind of blend it out. We're gonna do 10 dots. Completed the dots. Now it's time to actually glue in the cotton. So it's only gonna be a little bit. I'm not gonna use a lot. And the way we're gonna do this is undoing the cotton balls. We're gonna put some dual glue on our finger, put that on the black areas. Make sure everything's separated. Add the cotton on there. And even just like that, it looks so good. But we're gonna add a little bit more over here in this corner. Okay, it's coming together, you guys. Oh my god. I did not need to buy that whole bag of 200 cotton balls. I'm literally just using one. So if you can just find one cotton ball, that would be great to recreate this look. But yeah. Getting itchy. You could leave it like that. We are not done. We gotta create. We got the yarn here, and now we gotta glue the yarn down. This is the part that's probably gonna make me lose my patience. Got some scissors. These scissors crack me up. Gets the job done. Let's clean this glue off real quick. This is gonna be a long clip, so I'll come back once everything's done. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really love how it turned out. I look like a broken doll. I feel like I should add some bows, but I don't have time. I need to go now. But yeah, you guys, this is the last video of GLAMOWEEN. I really hope you like this entire GLAMOWEEN series, because I had so much fun doing it. Let me know if you guys have specific looks that you guys want to see next year. I will definitely keep that in mind. As of now, GLAMOWEEN is over, and even though I'm sad about it, my skin is super happy about it, because my skin is just so angry with me with all the props, the glue, the makeup, the just everything. Like, my skin is pissed off at me. I will finally put out my Cali vlog now that GLAMOWEEN is over, so definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos